Hey, I want to talk to you today about combining like terms. I know that you know what like terms are, so I want us to make sure in this lesson that we know how to combine them properly. So let's look at several different examples together. So we'll look at four. Let's look at the first one. We know that like terms are terms that have the same variable in them, or just numbers can be considered like terms. So on our first problem, we have x's, and I would suggest circling the whole term with its operation sign in it, and then that lets me know what I need to do with them. So I'll take 5 and add 2 to it. That gives me 7x. But then I add another x term, 7x plus 3x would give me 10x. 8y doesn't have anything that I can combine with it, so I just write that down, and that's my finished simplified expression. Let's check out number 2. I have some m's and n's in there. I also have a numerical value called a constant in there. So I'm going to go through and circle my like terms, and I'm going to include the operation signs on those. So I see that I've got 10m minus 7m. So 10 minus 7 gives me a total of 3m. I may even want to mark those off to show that I'm finished with them. I'm going to look to see if I have any other like terms. I have some n's. Look, I'm going to put a box around those so they kind of stand out to me differently. Remember, that's an understood 1n. So 3n plus 1n would be a total of 4n. I don't have anything else to combine with this 4, which is a constant. I'm going to add that over on the end of my expression. Finished and good to go. Let's try some other ones that are a little bit bigger. Let's look at these two. We've got some k's in our expression. We have 12k minus 4k. Notice that that's a subtraction sign, so I'm going to subtract. 12, take away 4k, gives me a total of 8k. Done with the k's. Next, I'm going to look at the p terms. I usually try to put my terms in alphabetical order. You may see that in upper level math. K comes before p. And remember that this is a 1 in front of that p, so it's an understood minus 1. So I have 13p minus 1p, and I'm going to write that as 12p. I'll mark off my p values. Next, I'm going to put a triangle around these because I have numerical values. They're constants. I can put those together. So 11 plus 6 would be a total of 17, and there's my final expression. Knocking these things right out. I think they're fun. All right, let's look at number 4. Got some x terms that are alike. I'm going to circle those things. 20x plus 17x. Adding those up would give me 37x. We'll check out my y terms. Look what I do. Positive 12 minus 3. That gives me 9y. And my last term over here is just a constant by itself. So I put plus 5 down, and there's my finished algebraic expression.